got a little hinge pin problem in the bottom of the front. Don't pop out.
That's a Kraton, right? Yeah. It's like big blue and little blue here.
Big blue, little blue. Yeah.
This is a windy one. Wayne's got the Talion. Doing some bashing here with Built by Rob RC in the big blue. Check him out on YouTube, Built by Rob RC. And Road Rage Wayne here with the Talion. And I got the Kagama out and doing some bashing at RC Madness. Oh no.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all yours.
Oh!
Too tired.
Jesus.
Ain't nothing broke.
Is that?
No, that's cruising there.
Oh, okay. It looks like.
Just goes in like
Oh, okay.
you're straight. Well, this thing's pretty stock, though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, not much.
See, that's that. You have a rebranded hobby.
Yeah, it's pretty much. Yeah, it's nice that it comes with that. Pretty fast.
Make sure y'all follow this YouTube channel right there. You know, ICRC83.
Check it out.
Yep.
Is it broken? Motor wire?
Oh, there you go.
Ooh.